Welcome all of you. In this video lecture, we will going to understand about mutation. On the basis of his observations, Hugo de Urais in 1901 put forward a theory of evolution called the mutation theory. This theory states that evolution is a jerky process where new varieties and species are formed by mutations that function as raw material for evolution. So, mutation is a sudden, discontinuous, inheritable alteration in the nucleotide sequence or genetic blueprint of an organism, virus, or extrachromosomal DNA. It can be lethal. Mutation means those heritable changes that affect the phenotype of individual. You have to keep in mind that the DNA consists of segments which code for a particular protein known as exons, while the intruding non-coding sequences are known as introns. So, whole of the chromosome or DNA consists of exons and introns. That is, the blueprint or the order of sequence is fixed for a particular organism. If there is a change or alteration in the sequence or number or a base or nucleotide of the genome of an organism, then this is known as mutation. Mutation can be classified as chromosomal aberration, polyploidy, or gene mutation. In this video lecture, we will understand mainly the chromosomal aberration. What is chromosomal aberration? Actually, it is the change in the structure of chromosome. If the actual blueprint of the chromosome gets changed or altered, then this is known as chromosomal aberration. And it is again of four types: deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation, as you can see in the figure given here. Okay, now let us understand each of them one by one. The first one is deletion. Here you can see deletion. What happens in this type of mutation? That a segment of chromosome is lost. See, a segment of chromosome is lost. So the chromosome, it is the initial chromosome or chromosome before mutation, it becomes in this form, so it changes in this form. After deletion of a segment, generally its size decreases. Example of chromosomal deletion is Cray-Duchat syndrome. In Cray-Duchat syndrome, the Q arm or the short arm of the chromosome number 5, actually a portion of the Q arm is deleted. It leads to a syndrome known as Cray-Duchat syndrome. The child suffering from this syndrome cry like a cat, having a high-pitched sound, and the child is mentally retarded. The next type of mutation is duplication. You can see here duplication. What happens actually in the duplication? A segment of chromosome gets duplicated. Okay, so if it is subjected to produce a particular amount of protein, then that amount of protein will get doubled because the gene itself is duplicated. So in duplication, the segment is present in extron. Example of this duplication is MECP2 duplication syndrome. Actually, MECP2 is X-linked syndrome. In this syndrome, the intellect, or you can say the person suffering from MECP2 syndrome are intellectually disabled. Okay, and their motor function are also impaired. These are also person or child suffering from mental disorders, somewhat related to autism. You have heard about it. The next one is inversion. Here it is inversion. In inversion, what actually happens? The gene or the segment of nucleotide gets rotated by 180 degree. See, this is CDE. It gets rotated in the order of EDC. So when a shift of 180 degree takes place, then it is known as inversion. When a portion of chromosome gets inverted due to rotation through 180 degree, then this is known as inversion, and the order of gene gets reversed, as you can see in the figure. Example of this syndrome is Walker-Warburg syndrome. It happens due to inversion in chromosome number 9. and it is characterized by muscle, brain, and eye disorders. Okay. The last one is translocation. As you can see here in the translocation, what actually happens? It generally occurs between two chromosomes or non-homologous chromosomes exchange their segments. Okay, so translocation is that type of chromosomal aberration or mutation in which the non-homologous chromosome exchange segments. See, the blue chromosome exchanges its segment with that pink one, and after exchange, new hybrids were formed. Generally, these hybrids are lethal. For example, chromosomal translocation is found in a disease known as CML, chronic myeloid leukemia. In this, what happens? The BCR gene of chromosome number 22, okay, and the ABL gene of chromosome number 9 gets interchanged between these chromosome number 9 and 22, okay, and these forms Philadelphia chromosome. The person suffering from CML have a very high number of lymphocytes, and it in general terms it is known as blood cancer. So translocation is very lethal in human beings. So these are the 4 types of chromosomal aberration. In next video lecture we will understand about the next type of mutation, that is polyploidy and gene mutation. Thank you very much for listening.